Okay. Inferior vena cava. This would be your caudate lobe, quadrate lobe, left lobe, right lobe, bare area, gallbladder. These would be your cystic arteries, cystic duct, common bile duct, common hepatic duct, left hepatic duct, right hepatic duct, hepatic portal vein. Then you have your hepatic vein. Then you have your, I think we said this was your proper hepatic artery, and your left hepatic, and your right hepatic. Ligamentum teres, falciform ligament. That's it. Go to intestine. We're missing the transverse bits. Okay. We have your ascending colon. This would be your ileocecal valve, cecum, appendix, ileum, ileocolic artery. This would be your right colic artery, marginal, straight, superior mesenteric artery and vein. These would be your jejunal and ileal branches. Inferior mesenteric artery. This would be your left colic. This would be your sigmoid. One of these. Yeah. Sigmoid.
There's usually two, that's why.
Yeah.
2 or 3.
Sigmoid artery. This would be your superior rectal artery. Then you have your middle colic, which is going up to the transverse colon. You can see tinea coli, ostrum. You have your right colic flexure, your left colic flexure. This would be your duodenum. This would be your gastroduodenal artery. You have your circular folds in there, and then duodenal papillae, but I'm not sure she would tag it as that. Pancreatic duct, pancreas. Does it say appendix? That's appendix. Rectum, anal canal, and that's it. Common bile duct, superior mesenteric artery vein, inferior mesenteric artery. Oh, and then mesocolon.
Yeah.
You have your, this is your stomach, you have your fundus, your body, you have your gastric veins and arteries, then you have your cardiac region, cardiac sphincter, pyloric region, pyloric sphincter, then you have your lesser curvature, your greater curvature. This would be your left gastric, your right gastric, your right gastro-omental, and your left gastro-omental. Then you have your rugae, which is all of that. So the only difference for this stomach is you can see your lesser omentum, which is just the fat, and then the greater omentum. And then also on here, this is where your duodenum would start. You can see your circular folds. And that would be your pyloric sphincter. That little hole. And that's that. Yeah. Okay. This is your pancreas, your spleen, your duodenum, your kidney, adrenal gland. So these would be your suprarenal artery and vein. This would be your splenic artery and vein, gastroduodenal artery, pancreatic duct, accessory pancreatic duct, common bile duct. This would be your superior mesenteric artery and vein. These 3 branches would be your jejunal and ileal. This would be your left gastro-omental artery, celiac trunk, left gastric. This would be your renal artery and vein, and this would be your ureter, and this is just, it looks like a continuation of the splenic vein, but
yeah.
You have your gallbladder, your cystic duct, again your common bile duct, and your duodenum, your duodenal papillae, This would be your minor, this would be your major. This is circular folds. And that's it. Same thing for this. You have your gallbladder, your cystic duct, your common bile duct, duodenum, duodenal papillae, circular folds, common bile duct, accessory pancreatic duct, superior mesenteric artery and vein, jejunal and ileal branches. You have your splenic vein and artery, your left gastric, your common hepatic will break into your proper hepatic to give off your right and left hepatic arteries, and then this would give off to your common hepatic duct, right and left, hepatic portal vein.
Anything else on the other side?
Inferior mesenteric vein.
Right.
And superior mesenteric artery and vein.